It is really old. We took all the stone off. We already did this tower. This tower is complete. We took all the stone off of it. Removed those wheels, the louvers. They used to be old vents, but there was a lot of moisture coming in. We replaced all three sides, except for the backside. The backside we actually put a real modern louver, a vent, you know, so for ventilation. I want to go all the way up. That's what you're here for, doctor, right? We're going all the way up. Anybody scared of heights or gets a little anxiety, don't come up with me. Stay down there. Y'all, please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, please. Here's what we gotta do. We still gotta take the dome apart, but we'll do that at the end. This one we already took apart. There used to be a dome here. Check out my uploads from taking down the cross or removing the cross, something like that. I think I labeled it. Removing the cross. You go check out my full videos. There's a bunch of highlights and stuff too. But I got full videos of taking down the cross and demoing the dome. You know what? We took the cross down safely. I think that's what it said. Something about removing the cross safely, bringing down the cross safely, and let's go up one more. We're already here. Anybody else scared? Go ahead and look away. We're about over 70 feet in the air. Would y'all join me? We're okay though. We're okay.